Welcome to this serene, minimalist tropical farmhouse where simplicity meets nature to create a tranquil oasis. Today, we'll take you on a journey through every aspect of this peaceful retreat, from the sleek exterior design to the harmonious interiors, and finally, to the beautifully landscaped courtyard. Every element has been carefully selected to enhance the natural surroundings while maintaining the understated elegance of minimalism. The exterior of the home embraces natural textures and neutral tones. White concrete walls are paired with natural wood and stone finishes, creating a warm yet modern facade. Large glass panels blend the indoors and outdoors, allowing the lush tropical greenery to frame the house perfectly. The wide, overhanging roof not only offers shelter but also integrates effortlessly into the tropical environment, providing shade and ventilation to keep the home cool in the sunny climate. As we approach the entrance, you'll notice the front door, a solid wood structure with clean lines, minimal detailing, and a natural finish. Its simplicity speaks to the minimalist aesthetic, but the organic warmth of the wood invites you in, echoing the tropical landscape outside. The door is designed to blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, embodying the idea of bringing nature into the home. Upon entering, the space opens into a minimalist foyer, adorned with only the essentials, a simple bench and a large, understated mirror. The use of natural materials continues here, with a stone floor that cools underfoot and reflects the raw beauty of the surrounding environment. The foyer feels like a breath of fresh air, giving a taste of the calm oasis that lies within. The living room epitomizes the concept of open, airy space, with large floor-to-ceiling windows that allow light to flood the room. The white concrete walls and polished concrete floors give a modern, clean look, while natural wood beams on the ceiling add a touch of warmth and rustic charm. The furniture is minimalist, soft, neutral-colored sofas with clean lines and a couple of low wooden tables crafted from reclaimed tropical hardwood. Potted plants are strategically placed throughout, softening the starkness of the modern design while connecting the interior to the lush greenery outside. The entire space is uncluttered and serene, with just a few well-curated pieces of art on the walls. This minimalist approach ensures that the home feels like a calm retreat, allowing the natural surroundings to take center stage. Moving into the kitchen, the design remains sleek and functional. The kitchen island, with its white concrete base and natural wood countertop, serves as the heart of the space. Open shelving made from locally sourced wood displays only the essentials, keeping the look minimalist yet practical. Stainless steel appliances blend seamlessly with the minimalist aesthetic, maintaining the clean lines and uncluttered surfaces that define this home. The dining area is adjacent to the kitchen, featuring a simple wooden table surrounded by lightweight chairs with woven natural fiber seats. A large sliding door opens directly onto the outdoor space, enhancing the connection to nature. The minimalism here ensures that every meal feels peaceful, with nothing to distract from the natural beauty just outside. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of calm. Large windows overlook the tropical garden, inviting natural light to pour in during the day while offering a serene view. The room is furnished with a low platform bed made of reclaimed wood, crisp white linens, and a few carefully selected decor pieces like a woven jute rug and a simple ceramic vase. The absence of excessive furniture or decoration enhances the feeling of openness and tranquility. A secondary bedroom carries the same minimalist theme, but with softer, more playful touches, perhaps a light wooden dresser, a few tropical prints on the wall, and more greenery by the windows. This room, too, embraces the idea of letting nature be the dominant force, with an emphasis on natural materials and a soothing color palette of earth tones and whites. In the bathroom, the design continues to blend simplicity with nature. White concrete walls are paired with stone sinks and wooden cabinetry, creating a spa-like atmosphere. A large, open shower with a rainfall showerhead enhances the feeling of connection to the natural world, as water flows freely over smooth stone tiles. Minimalist fixtures in matte black provide a subtle contrast, while the large window brings in natural light and offers a glimpse of the tropical garden outside. The simplicity of the space ensures that it remains clutter-free and calming. Natural textures dominate the aesthetic, with soft towels and simple bath products displayed in woven baskets. The bathroom, like the rest of the home, serves as a reminder of the beauty found in simplicity. Stepping outside, the courtyard is the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the tropical breeze. A simple wooden deck is surrounded by a variety of tropical plants, palms, ferns, and other native flora. The minimalist furniture includes a couple of lounge chairs and a low table made from natural stone, creating a comfortable yet unobtrusive space for relaxation. A small water feature adds a soothing soundtrack to the outdoor experience, while the use of natural elements like stone pathways and wooden pergolas enhances the sense of serenity. The courtyard, with its simple yet intentional design, is the true embodiment of a calm oasis where the line between nature and architecture blurs. As we conclude our tour of this minimalist tropical farmhouse, it's clear that every aspect of this home has been thoughtfully designed to create a peaceful, natural retreat. From the modern simplicity of the exterior to the calm, uncluttered interiors and the tranquil outdoor living spaces, this home is a perfect blend of minimalist design and tropical beauty. Thank you for joining us today. If you're looking for a way to bring calm into your own home, consider how simplicity, natural materials, and a connection to the outdoors can transform your space into a true oasis.